The leadership of Yunus has articulated inclusion in its mission statement, which portrays the ownership of leadership for inclusion. Here we welcome everyone wholeheartedly and provide a safe working environment that helps exchange diverse attributes.
Inclusion in the workplace creates employee engagement and sense of belonging. When employees feel that their ideas and contribution truly valued, they become more innovative and progressive.
Being a lead DE&I, I believe that diversity, equity, and inclusion is basically a triangle, and to achieve our goals related to the subject, we need to incorporate all three of them together. Since the concept of DE&I is evolving, there are some challenges that we are facing. Number one, true depiction of the purpose of diversity, equity, and inclusion. Number two, communication gaps. Number three, sense of acceptance. Number four, cognitive biasness. And number five, creating a sense of affiliation.
YTM is a wonderful place for all to come in and work and feel as a family. I think that the organization in the last 3 years have taken great strides in the journey of inclusion, equality, women empowerment, opening doors to people with disability, making sure that anybody who comes in to YTM gets a fair opportunity to work, to grow, and pursue their careers and dreams. YTM is a fascinating place to work because people feel safe, people feel cared, people know that, with whatever background, disabilities, weaknesses, whatever challenges they face in their life, YTM will provide them with equal opportunity to overcome those challenges. I wish that organizations in Pakistan follow suit what YTM has doing in the last 4 years, and as we continue to further expand the opportunities to everyone.
I've been working at Yunus Textile Mills for almost 8 years. The reason why every time I choose YTML for my career growth is that YTML never set limits and appreciate my work and acknowledge my skills regardless of my gender.
We should have more informal sessions and engagement activities to make our teams feel included.
I was hired as a computer operator, but now I am working as an assistant manager. This is possible because my skills were encouraged and my opinions were valued despite my physical challenges.
I have been working at YTML for the past 3 years. But time I really felt and feel is included when I got the bosses who gave credit and appreciates my work in front of everyone. To get the diversity and inclusiveness rightly at the workplace, need to form a culture so that everyone feels part of it and they feel listened and honored. Sometimes we forget to have I in the diversity and inclusiveness dialogue, because inclusiveness is the part in which most of the companies and most of the countries, they don't take it. They take it as a diversity, but the inclusiveness part is being forgotten. For the inclusiveness, I believe that people needs to celebrate the success, because every part, the race, the gender, the diversity, every community needs to be heard and to be listened and to see what it is. Coming back to the companies, if we can see in the early 80s or 90s, the inclusiveness was not there. But in this era, the inclusiveness is the core because everybody feels empowered, everybody is part of the society, and inclusiveness needs to be there.